Kumban pendap ia jingmut jong ke Sorkar, kumba keladap ban pentip pajba dangshan, kata ban plie kalat ya kinos, bakin yok kam sabar ke jela bat sabar keri, ke Sorkar Meghalaya ha ke sautarik nailar arja arpulai kala penlong ke job fair, haringkat ke jingat lang bat ke Navis HR Private Limited Nurse Edge, ke Trained Nurses Association India, bat ke Ajit Enterprise. Ya kari ke job fair la penlong da ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, bat ke Tanat Health and Family Welfare jong ke Sorkar jela. Haba ajing kran hak te kesngi umentri rang ba ke jela u konrat kisang ma uloong. Ba ke Sorkar kala kut jingmut ban yarap yakini kinos, ki beliyo jing hikai, ban yok kam syakal lang gijaka jong ke perthai. Nolor kata uloong, ba ke jela kan persangkat bala ban ajaka nadu ke put ketam, ki kam sna jing sna, kenang bagi beriyo ki badan sap, kin yok kalat ban trai.
We always say that the youth is our greatest strength, and hence we would want to see that how Meghalaya could also play its part, and we could get part of the opportunity for our youth to be able to fill up this gap or this vacuum that is there in the health sector and in many other sectors where the requirement of skilled manpower is there throughout the world. And hence this entire demographic situation in the world is today leading to a great opportunity, and when this was presented to me, clearly it made a lot of sense for us to go ahead and do this so that we are able to, as I said, get advantage for our youth and for our nurses in terms of the opportunity that exists. So therefore this is a great project. This is something that we fully support. Our minister has mentioned that there was a request from the training company that there should be some subsidy and some financial support from the state government, and the amount that was mentioned by them, which was 50,000 rupees per beneficiary, without any hesitation, as I said, the finance department has cleared that. And Kong Ampril was asking me that how many people are we looking at? Is there a limit to the number of people that we will send in the first year? I told her very, very clearly and very confidently, we have no limits. So in case tomorrow all 1,000 of you are there who wish to go and qualify and are able to complete your training, rest assured the state government will support each and every one of you. We are not going to leave any stone not unturned, I should say. We will make sure that every stone is unturned to ensure that this opportunity it comes along and you're able to take advantage of it. And let's just realize this, it's not rocket science or a great economics that we're talking about. But clearly, the advantages of our human resource going to other parts of the world is something that is going to open up a huge opportunity for our state. And there are many, many examples in the country today to showcase that. And so starting off with the basic thing like, foreign exchange that comes in. I want to give you an example of, forget a state like Kerala. I'll talk about a country like Bangladesh. And if you study the entire economy of Bangladesh in the last 2 decades, you will see that the amount of foreign exchange that came in because of the people that were working outside coming into the country, into Bangladesh, and the kind of impact it had in the overall savings because people in Bangladesh save a lot. You saw this complete, change taking place at the grassroots level in terms of the overall economics. This is just one example of how this entire process could benefit our state. And as I said, apart from the foreign exchange that comes in, the exposure that each one of you will get, the fact that the relationship with the other countries will improve, the fact that not just in nursing, but tomorrow there could be other business opportunities that will open up. The relationship between Meghalaya, India and the countries where we're going to go to will open up more opportunities in other areas like agriculture or trade. And that's really what I look at, and as a government we look at. That in the coming 5 to 10 years to 15 to 20 years, if we are able to build this kind of a relationship, able to send our people there who will be able to really become brand ambassadors, become ambassadors of our state, I see a huge opportunity being unlocked by us being able to do that. And that's really what is driving us to be very, very aggressive in what we are doing today. And once again, I want to tell you that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that we are able to support as many of you as possible. And hence, I request all of you, please give your 100% to it. Don't take it easy. Nothing comes easy. You have struggled for many years in your life. Your families have struggled to bring you where you are today. You're almost there. And this opportunity that we are being able to provide through all the agencies that are here today is maybe the greatest opportunity you will get. So give that 100% that you have. Don't leave anything, for chance. Work hard, and we are there to guide you all the way.
Hakaway pat kalyang, ka Menteri Kepada Khmih ya katanat ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Mezel Amprin Lingdo kala bthai ki agency ba lada ki nos kila yok kam kim dei bandon ha ka jingshap tieng Henry kum ki agency ki dei ban pet ya ka bha ka miat jongki.
I have seen this in every health facility. In the last 4.5 months, I have journeyed through very rough weather, rough roads, rough conditions to reach so many CHCs, PHCs, health centers, talk to medical officers, doctors, nurses, listen to their problems. The one thing that I see in that entire exercise is the smiling face of the nurses. Such wonderful people they are, always willing, always happy. And for the hundreds of nurses who have either texted me, WhatsApp me, ma'am, job, here is your opportunity. And I want to thank the 18 institutions that are bringing out so many thousands of professional nursing care citizens. Private, there are 10 of them, and 8 of the institutes are government run. And I have been to Roxburgh, I have been to Woodlands, I have been to these 2-3 institutes that are truly working very hard. I have gone to the Institute of Nursing in Civil Hospital, Ganeshnas, where as an MLA, over so many years of being an MLA, I have interacted with these institutes. And I feel that the people of Meghalaya have a very rare talent which does not come easy to too many kinds of people from different states, and that is their willingness to serve with love and the care that they have. So we will be leaving not less than 500 trainees in your hands, where you will be taking them to foreign lands. The one thing that we want to make very clear is the safety of our citizens is of great importance. We would like to see that our citizens are taken care of and they are safe, because most probably all of these attendees today will have to go back to their mothers, their fathers, their brothers. Some of them may be married also. So they have to assure one thing, and that is safety. Honorable Chief Minister, in his wisdom, has thought it fit to support every trainee with a fund of 50,000 rupees to help your families not get burdened. I have met so many mothers, fathers who come to me and say, Madam, we have pending bank loans, still not paid to the bank, and the bank is running after us and saying, you have graduated in your nursing programs and you have not paid back your loan. So my sincerest request to NAVIS, to Nurse Age, to TNAI and to Ajit Enterprise, please minimize the cut downs of pay to cover the rest of the cost of the training program, because most of them, I'm quite sure about 90% of them, have taken loans to even become nurses. We need to handhold these enthusiastic citizens of the state of Meghalaya, and we only depend on you.